Make sure your crack isn't showing people, at least on your polymer clay, that is. The crack test is so important when working with polymer clay because it's the best indicator that your clay is conditioned, meaning it's soft and easy to work with. It's a pleasure to meet you. Hi, I'm Mel, the disabled artist and sculptress from Two Feathers Gallery here in Australia. By the way, if you want to learn everything you need to know about conditioning polymer clay in 3 minutes in another of my tutorials, please see the link in the description box below. There are 4 demos, hand conditioning as well as electric and manual pasta machine conditioning. You can also learn 4 other indicators telling you if your polymer clay is conditioned or not. Okay, let's get cracking. Right now, I'm going to show you up close and personal the crack test in action. Here it is. Get yourself a slab of polymer clay like this and simply fold it and see if it cracks. If it does, you need to keep conditioning until it doesn't crack anymore. That's a smaller, sneakier type of crack, isn't it? But it's still not conditioned. It's indicating it's not. So we're going to keep going on that one. What? Here's some Primo Sculpey green clay showing you that it's nice and conditioned. And this clay is Sculpey Primo Wasabi and it's so nice and soft already. However, it still needs conditioning and the crack test, and it has passed. Yay! This is what you are aiming for. Now your clay has passed the crack test, you can use it. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Take your dog, take your wagon, take your polymer clay, get out of here. Till next time. Bye.